Hello, and welcome to Vercom's Email Threats video series. In this video, we'll be talking about email outages, what they are and what risk they pose to your business. Modern workers and IT admins know how important email is, but rarely do we fully realize its importance until it stops working. Unexpected email outages have been a burden to IT managers for decades, whether it be due to server issues, overruns on maintenance time, or simple configuration issues. With the emergence of cloud email solutions like Office 365, these concerns can become even more dire as outages fall out of the control of IT admins, often with very little transparency from service providers on when they will be back up and running. Many organizations have already learned the price of this, as users across the United States, Europe, Canada, and Australia have been plagued by outages at critical times. One September 2017 hours-long outage took out users across Europe. Others in May and July affected multiple areas across the United States and Canada, while another in May had dramatic effects in Australia, Japan, and even South America. Surprisingly, this is an improvement from the previous year, where 4 outages occurred over a 2-month period and many customers were left without email for 9 days in a row, effectively wiping out email availability for 3% of that year's business days on a cloud email service failure alone. Ultimately, enhanced flexibility and productivity are the main benefits of cloud email solutions. But if they're disabled, none of these benefits can be realized. That's why an email continuity solution is so crucial to any modern business, no matter the email services they use. Because communication doesn't stop for any one business. We all need to ensure that we can communicate no matter what comes. So, whether a company is running a cloud email service like Office 365, deploying on-premise solutions like Microsoft Exchange, or even running hybrid models like hosted Exchange, the benefits of email continuity don't have to be off limits. Vercom's Modus Cloud features an emergency inbox as part of its filtering and email continuity features, which comes free with every version of Modus Cloud to ensure that no organization that needs protection goes without crucial tools to keep their email up and running. To stop email outages from affecting your day-to-day work, contact Vercom to learn more about our Modus Cloud solution.